Today's recipe is Palak Rice, a complete meal recipe for students who stay abroad and yet can have their Indian meal. So here I'm using just one pot to make the rice. Switch on the pan of the pressure cooker, a quarter cup of oil. I'm going to add in some butter. When it starts melting, I'm going to add in the bay leaf, a piece of cinnamon, a clove, a Kapok Bud, the chopped onions, garlic. When this becomes little translucent, you can add in the peas, the finely chopped palak, the spinach. Now I'm adding in the rice. Now I'm going to add in the water. I'm going to use the rasam powder here. If you don't have the rasam powder, you can use the regular chili powder, preferably the rasam powder. I'm using 3/4 spoon of salt. When it starts boiling, cover the lid. I will allow this for 1 whistle. Now this is completely cool. Now with the help of a fork, I would just loosen the rice. Then the rice won't become mushy. I'm going to have this with some set curds with palak rice. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Food.